This house was built about 2 years ago. We've lived here for about 2 months. And this door does my head in. When you shut the door, see it's got like a wobble. And then when you shut this one, well, that was a bad example because it just shut, but sometimes it just bounces off it. Anyway, it's a bit of a quick solution. I'm not sure why people have been living like this for 2 years in this house. But basically, you just get this here, loosen off these screws a tiny bit, and then move it in. I'll just do a proper video with there. So you loosen off those screws and then just move it back a little bit, however much you need, and then tighten the screws up again. Like that. And then the same down here. Loosen that up, move it back. Try and keep it straight. Then tighten it up. And then when we close the door, no more wobble. And this one, perfect. So if you've got French doors that are a bit wobbly or rattly in the wind, have a look. See, it might just be like a 2-minute fix. You don't need to get a joiner or anything. Just have a look yourself. It's a little screwdriver. Subscribe or something. I don't know. Like it. Anyway, see you later.